Are you a man feeling frustrated with online dating in 2025? It's time to discover the absolute best dating apps that actually work for guys. We all know the struggle: endless swiping, fake profiles, scammers, and those impossibly high expectations like the notorious 666 rule. But don't give up on finding your perfect match just yet. Our deep dive into the top dating platforms reveals surprising success rates, with men reporting overwhelmingly positive experiences, 57% finding success online. This ultimate guide cuts through the noise, offering you the cheat sheet to navigate the dating scene effectively. You'll want to check the links in the description right away to start your journey with these incredible apps. Number 1. Tinder, still a powerhouse for diverse connections, proving its longevity among dating apps. Number 2. Bumble, where women make the first move, offering a refreshing dynamic for many men seeking quality interactions. Number 3. Hinge, designed to be deleted, focuses on meaningful connections and detailed profiles for serious daters. Number 4. OkCupid, renowned for its in-depth questionnaires, helps you find truly compatible partners based on shared values. And number 5. Match.com, a veteran in the dating world, known for fostering serious relationships and attracting a mature user base. We've tested them all to ensure you spend your time wisely, whether you're seeking something casual or ready for a serious commitment in 2025. Prepare to transform your dating life and finally connect with the right person using these top dating apps for men. This comprehensive look at the best dating apps for men will change your perspective entirely.